Most car models can have the original water spray nozzles removed. Modify the water flow path. Remove the original car's water spray nozzle like this. Connect the wiper water pedal, the original vehicle's water nozzle. Hide the extension pipe in the sink between the water pan and the hood. There is a small straight connection at the wiper nozzle. Connect the water pipe to wiper small straight pipe. The pipeline goes upwards. Remember not to rub the pipe against the rocker arm. The rocker arms vary for different vehicle models. The water pipe should be hidden inside the rocker arm. Make sure there is a gap between the water pipe and the rocker arm spring. Avoid friction between spring and water pipe during wiper use. To affect the work of rocker arm, ensure aesthetic wiper wiping effect display. Upgraded and modified water spray wiper on the basis of the ordinary wiper. Spray more evenly on the glass, achieving efficient cleaning. Come and have a try.